Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. A preliminary objection which has been raised at the hearing of the special appeal is that having due regard to the provisions of Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court Rules 1952, a special appeal would not be maintainable against the order of the learned single judge stopped. Dealing with this submission, it has been urged on behalf of the appellants that the contention of the appellants is that the learned single judge has transgressed the jurisdiction which was invoked in the form of a writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution for challenging an order of the prescribed authority declining to stay the execution stop. In a writ petition challenging the order of the prescribed authority declining to grant stay of execution, it was urged that the learned single judge has not only set aside the original decree but has also set aside the execution proceedings and even rejected the subsequent prayer for return of the plaintiff stop. In these circumstances, it has been urged that as a result of the impugned order of the learned single judge, which arose from a writ petition challenging an order declining to stay the execution, the original proceedings have been set aside, the appeal stands concluded and the appellants are foreclosed even from pursuing their rights and remedies in accordance with law stop stanza. We find merit in the submission of the appellants that the special appeal would not be barred by the provisions of Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Rules of the Court stop. In the present case, the order of the learned single judge is assailed in the special appeal on the ground that in issuing the aforesaid directions, the learned single judge has transgressed the limitations on the jurisdiction of the court under Article 226 of the Constitution stop. As we have indicated, the limited prayer before the learned single judge was a challenge to the order dated 13 October 2015 declining stay of execution of the decree passed by the prescribed authority in suit number 19 of 2013 stop. The learned single judge in the limited issue which had arisen before her was called upon to decide whether a case was made out for stay of execution of the decree or otherwise pending disposal of the appeal before the district judge stop. The learned single judge has not confined the decision of the court merely to this aspect stop. The learned single judge holds that the decree itself has to be set aside and has accordingly set aside the release order dated 14 July 2014 stop. The execution proceedings have been set aside stop. Moreover, the prayer made by the appellants for return of the plaintiff has also been rejected stop. As a result of the last of the directions, the appellants have been foreclosed for seeking remedies which are available in law stop. In this view of matter, the learned single judge has acted in excess of jurisdiction stop. Hence, it cannot be held that the special appeal is not maintainable under Chapter 8, Rule 5 of the Rules of the Court stop stanza. Shri Rajesh Goyal has submitted that the petitioner was a decree holder in a suit for specific performance, and when the defendant judgment debtor failed to execute the sale deed of the land in question, the executing court executed the sale deed on 8/5/1992 and sent the sale deed for registration before the sub-registrar Meerut stop. The sub-registrar found that the sale deed was executed on stamp paper of rupees 22,000, but in accordance with the circle rate determined by the district magistrate, the value of the land in question would be rupees 1,80,000 and hence the stamp duty chargeable would be rupees 26,000 stop. As such, the executing court on the report of the sub-registrar found deficiency in the stamp duty and required the decree holder petitioner to deposit the same before the executing court stop. According to him, the rules framed under Section 47 of the Stamp Act have provided a clear procedure for determination of the value of the land in case of dispute with respect to payment of stamp duty stock. He submits that the collector has jurisdiction either suo motu or otherwise to satisfy himself with respect to market value of the property in accordance with the procedure prescribed under Rule 340 of the Stamp Rules 1942 as were applicable in the year 1992 stock. He states that having not initiated the process for valuation of the land in question for the purpose of payment of stamp duty on the instrument, the executing court has committed an error since it ought to have directed the district magistrate to do so when there was a dispute stock. Shri Goyal has submitted that in case of an order passed by the collector demanding deficient stamp duty, the same would have been appealable under the provisions of stamp duty, but when the civil court in execution of a decree of specific performance has passed the order to deposit deficit stamp duty, no appeal can be preferred by the petitioner in case he is aggrieved by the demand of excess stamp duty stock. Submission, therefore, is that the petitioner has been deprived of a forum of appeal against the demand of excess stamp duty on the one hand, and on the second, the demand being based on circle rate cannot be taken to be an absolute determination of the market value. Like this itself does not give protection so as to sustain the enrollment stock. He further submitted that there was no discrimination as alleged by the appellant looking to the nature of duties of the prosecutors in the state departments and the appellant stock. In terms of Section 24 of the Act, a person shall be qualified to be admitted as an advocate if he satisfies the provisions of the Act and the rules, if any, made by the State Bar Council, besides fulfilling other conditions as laid down in this section stop. Even if no rules were framed under Section 28 within bracket 2, read with Section 24 within bracket 1 of the Act by a State Bar Council, enrollment of a person shall be subject to the provisions of the Act and the rules stop stringa. Section 28 has conferred rule-making power on a State Bar Council to carry out the purpose of Chapter 3 of the Act stop. A State Bar Council can prescribe conditions subject to which a person may be admitted on any such roll under Section 28 within bracket 2 within bracket D of the Act stop. In the present case, the respondent has not framed rules in this regard stop. Under Section 49 of the Act stop stringa, the aforesaid submission of Shri Goyal appears to have substance stop. The Revenue Authority has not noticed the petitioner for deposit of deficient stamp duty stop. In fact, it has written to the executing court for payment of deficient stamp duty, and the executing court has directed the petitioner to deposit the same so as to stamp the sale deed and satisfy the decree for specific performance stop. Therefore, the Right Stamp Act, if any, to the petitioner has been taken away stop. The second submission also appears to have force in as much as by the impugned order passed by the executing court the valuation has been found on the basis of the circle rate determined by the district magistrate stop over.